scatters the flowers, my tears fall with them. You told me I still had a place in your heart, but in this lifetime it never truly happened, so I let everything go. Even if I never find peace, please don't cry. When the sun sets, the moon will rise. Where should I go? Which path should I take? I can feel my heart break, and I can never count all the kindness you gave me. I will let everything go. Only when I'm gone, then you start to cry. If you were still here, I would cry out at the top of my lungs. Even if you truly let me go. If it's not because of heaven's will, is it because our fates never aligned? Or is the sky itself playing a cruel joke on me? Scatters the flowers, my tears fall with them. You told me I still had a place in your heart, but in this lifetime it never truly happened, so I let everything go. Even if I never find peace, please don't cry. When the sun sets, the moon will rise. Where should I go? Which path should I take? I can feel my heart break, and I can never count all the kindness you gave me. I will let everything go. Only when I'm gone, then you start to cry. If you were still here, I would cry out at the top of my lungs. Even if you truly let me go. If it's not because of heaven's will, is it because our fates never aligned? Or is the sky itself playing a cruel joke on